We are from Kuan Ching High School, and our team is the Two Tomatoes. My name is Tiffany.
And my name is Zoe.
So this is the contents of our project today. You can have a look. Okay.
Okay. And this is the next page. So now we'll start with the introduction. So the main content of our project is waste heat. It's all about waste heat. So it is a necessary product of industrial processes. So what can we do with it? So as you can see here, most of the energy in industrial activities are considered as waste heat. And now, as industrial activities are required to sustain our daily needs and the needs of our citizens, and to ensure social and economic stability of a country, so which is also crucial for the country's development. And large amount of waste energy is released, however, but we have to find problems to solve. And as waste energy is released, the efficiency of energy usage, like when you use energy, the efficiency is low. It's decreased due to waste heat emitted. So it produces a big impact of energy on energy crisis today. So the goal of our project is to decrease the effects of energy crisis by reusing waste heat produced during industrial activities. So this is our methodology, and at the first box here you can see is the plan of our model. The waste heat is used to heat the water right here, and it is evaporated. So as the water evaporates, it produces water vapor, which produces the airflow to spin the turbine to generate electrical energy through the generator. So as you can see here, there's a pipe right here. It's for cold water to pass through to facilitate the condensation of water. And then when the water condensates on the box up here, it then flows back down into this small box. Yes, this small box. And then it's just a cycle of water condensating, evaporating, and producing airflow to generate electricity. So this is a larger picture of our plan. So as you can see here, this is our progress from our initial plan to our final plan. So as you can see here, our initial plan is quite not so good because the turbine is placed wrongly, and our concept is also that there are flaws in it. So we made progress to our final plan. So now we're gonna demonstrate with our model.
Okay, so this turbine is placed in this small container, and then below the turbine will fill water in. Then this is the waste heat, which can heat the water, and the water boils and it produces in the form of water vapor. And then the water vapor, it will the water vapor, it will produce an airflow, and then to rotate the turbine, which yeah. Okay, so when the airflow it produced, and then the turbine will be turned, rotate, and then the electrical energy is generated by the generator.
Yeah, so the generator will be out here just for it's easier to demonstrate. And this part is it's a window for demonstrating. So it should be covered, but to demonstrate, we just opened it.
And then the water vapor, it will flow up to this big container, and then this is the cold water where it can increase the rate of condensation of the water in this big container. So when the water vapor is converted into water, then the water it can flow back in this small container to be heated again and to be boiled again. So this is the process of the water being boiled and condensate again and again to continue produce electrical energy.
Yeah, so you may think, how do we get the heat energy? So from here, we use pipes to collect the hot gas, and the pipe runs through here. It's sticking on the bottom here, so the heat is transmitted through the pipe to the water, so it can heat up the water. Yeah.
Okay, so this is our demonstration.
So the demonstration of the condensation of water. It will take some time, so we'll continue with our presentation first.
Yes. 你这么关掉。Okay. So the result, this model is only just a small demonstration of our concept of the project. Because to bring our the concept of the project into this 3D model, we have faced a lot of challenges, and in the real life situation, this when we are bringing this model into a larger scale, it can only because this concept is specialized for those heavy industries, because those heavy industries they can produce enough waste heat to produce the amount of enough heat to heat the water to produce enough water steam and to produce the airflow to turn the turbine. So to generate more electricity, so that those heavy industries they can produce sufficient heat for the electrical energy. So through our project, this concept, we can also solve the problem of energy crisis, which is quite a big problem to this world today. And then from this project, we learn how to extract those information from the research and also combine all those information to form the main concept of our project. And then to bring this project into reality, we face a lot of challenges. But oh yeah, for example, like the 3D printer, when in the process of 3D making, we also face a lot of problems like the filament and the 3D printer, but we still managed to make it. And we also learn how to solve the problem together. So besides, we also learn new skills like teamwork and also brainstorming ideas of our project. And then through the research, we understood the importance of the energy in our daily lives and also all the countries' development. So yeah, we want to use the waste heat that it cannot be used again into electrical energy that can be reused again. To conclude our project, we can decrease the impact of the industrial activities in this energy crisis by converting the industrial waste heat into electrical energy.
So
Okay.
this is the end of
Our project. Thank you so much.
You want to demo the how the functions? Must be hit there.
So the water vapor flows up and then it condensates on the surface of yeah, and you can see water droplets in the and it will flow back down into Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
You answered my question just now. But you wasted. But you're gonna plan to use the electrical energy back to the industry, right?
Yeah,
the
because it's
industrial
just
places,
placed beside
the
it.
same places. All right.
You have tested in how high of the temperature that this can be withstand with?
Because this is plastic, so we couldn't use it on heating.
Yeah, any material.
Initial
Yeah.
suggestion.
We haven't done any research on this, but it could be like metal inside and then styrofoam to prevent heat loss.
And then this the whole material of this project it needs to uh um it needs to extend the heat because the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius, and all these materials it has to withstand the highest
Higher than
higher
100 degrees
yes higher than 100
because
degrees
the water
Celsius.
vapor might be hotter.
Yes.
So the 3D printing is, I mean, the 3D printing is just help you to demo the
Yes.
model.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.